This is Sparks Avenue Films, and today we'll be making halva, also known as halawa. All depends on where you come from. You'll need these ingredients. Get them ready first. 1.5 cups of well stirred tahini, half teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 1/4 cups of white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of water and some rose water. Stick a thermometer in your pan, add the water. Add the 1.5 cups of sugar. Mix these together. Make sure all the sugar is wet. Put it on the stove. We've got to get this temperature up to 240 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful, this is very hot. Keep stirring it in. We're up to about 200 degrees. Then pour it into your room temperature tahini. Now you'll find it starts getting gluggy really quickly. It should take about 1 or 2 minutes to get it to the right consistency. Don't overdo it, it'll become too crumbly. There we go, nearly ready. And that's just about it, I think. Put some grease-proof paper in your pan, otherwise you'll never get it out of there again. And spoon all the tahini and all the sugar together. You can see it's quite crumbly, so you need to squash it into the pan. It's actually doing a great job. There we go. That was quick. This should take about 3 or 4 minutes. Squish down the edges so it doesn't crumble off when you take it out of the pan. And here we are, it's finished. We've left it in the fridge for 2 hours. We've taken it out and you can cut it up now. Does she like it? She does.